hard, so a shorter crank is much more comfortable on the legs and knee bend, and with the electric you still get around just fine and it's no problem. You've got the Shimano XTR pedals. The cranks, back to the cranks, these are 100 millimeter long. I've had anywhere from 100 to 220 millimeter cranks in my times when I used to race and care about performance and experimenting. So I've had lots of various crank lengths. And on the recumbent electric versions, I prefer the shorter cranks. So much more comfortable and easier to spin around. Let's see, the hubs are Hope Pro 4, Pro 3, where the Pro 2 will fit just fine. You have to cut down a little bit of the axle, the Catrike axle, just about 4 millimeters or so, because they're a little bit narrower. But they mount up, other than that, they mount straight on. Over here we have the Hadley hubs, which I think have a little bit better bearings, and I like them when I'm pedaling. So about any downhill 20 millimeter hub will work. You may or may not have to modify the axles and cut them down just a few millimeters off of one side. So I can show you over here, this is a normal Catrike axle here. See if I can get the camera, and then you just take a few millimeters off either side. One side will be sufficient, about 4 millimeters, and then they bolt straight on. So that's that. While I'm over here at the workbench, these are for the hub drive. It puts more stress on the dropouts, so I had these custom made. This is my prototype that I made, and this is the one that was actually made, so that they're made for left and right, and they fit inside the dropouts. And over here we have it on the machine, the bike, and you can see how they bolt on, and then the little groove there in the back goes into the dropouts and helps support it. So it strengthens the rear end, and it's kind of like a torque arm in some sense, doing something similar. It keeps